Okay, been back here blasting for a while. So here's a prime difference between blasted and unblasted. So I got my sand beads mix in the machine right now, so it's a little bit rougher texture than just straight beads would be. So these are really filthy and nasty. They were polished on the edges, but not no more. So as you can see how nasty these are compared to these now. So there's your before and after. Also, I found out that the head gasket surface here is not very good. See how it's all eaten out, especially through here. Looks like it's all eaten away or been ground on. See how it's nice, got a nice sharp lip right here like it's supposed to have. And over here it's just all pretty well gone. And it's like there's a lip between the cylinder here, the sleeve, and the aluminum here. It's where the gasket's biting in or separating or something. So this needs to be resurfaced so that it won't leak. Otherwise you'll probably blow gaskets again. So that's why I can't do cheap jobs, because I tend to fix stuff. Here's the valves, look like all blasted. You can see those big sharp angles in there, which should be all back cut to make it breathe better. Otherwise known as free horsepower. So this surface here looks good. So these are all clean now also. This here is the silver painted one. So there you go. Once you get the silver off, it's pretty corroded underneath. Looks like this was probably polished under here also. Not no more. So you can see the different colors and all this stuff here between blasted and unblasted. So like I said, you can be cheap and do silver paint, or you can just blast the stuff off and get it clean. The other thing I had in here, this thing was all full of, looked like it's a bunch of sealer down inside here where the compression release is. You can see the residue over here. I had to scrape all that out. It was just a big corner. Half this hole is just full of muck in there, pretty thick. It's all sealer. So looks like they spilled half a tube of crap in there, or maybe they're trying to hold the compression release in there, I don't know. But this was the one that was tight. So this one here was the one that was not done, and you can see there's not a bunch of goop on this one. So I'm not sure what the difference is on that, but there you go. So anyway, this cylinder head here looks a little bit better, but you can see how it's worn in there a little bit. Blasting a little better. So you can see how this was all buffed at one time on the outside, but yeah, some buff, a lot of corrosion, or you can just have it all one finish. You can always sand the outside surface if you want to, it makes it a little different. But that's on you to do, not me. So go ahead and blast this one also. So here's the bead sand mix. The sand is the reddish stuff, beads is the other stuff. So it's a mixture of stuff in here. See the sand laying across the top there. So that's what's in the machine right now. If I dump this out and put that nice fine stuff right there into the beads, it'll leave a nice high gloss finish on the parts instead of this rough finish. So extra cost, so I'll probably do it. Take me an extra 20 minutes to a half hour. Takes me about 10 minutes to clean all the crap out of the machine, probably 20 minutes to blast everything again, but we'll see. So anyway, that's what it looks like in the machine when you go for it. Alright, we're not going to videotape this part, so can't do it. I can't blast and video at the same time, so that's going to be it for now. Alright, just got done cleaning the machine out. I did some filing on these cylinders here because they're all crappy. They got big nicks in here. So I filed the piss out of them and got rid of the nicks that were under here. So a lot of filing. Got it cleaned up, look a lot better. So I just got done cleaning the machine out. It takes a while to get all the crap out of here. So everything's cleaned off. Only place I can't get's right there. Okay, this is what comes out. It's a combination of sand and beads. So you dump it out of this hopper in here and the filthy one back there. So you burn through it. There's more beads on the bottom. Sand's heavier, so it seems to collect in the tank here better, more. So I'm going to go ahead and put the clean beads in there, which is that. You can see I got a little contamination at the final, a little bit come out of that one too. Like I said, the sand seems to be heavier than beads, so it comes out last. So that has a little bit of contamination. So I'm going to scoop up some of that and throw it into there, and then put the clean beads in the machine. They go into this hopper right here, go down that hole and that hole. We'll blast these things and make them nice and clean. Be nice and polished and sheeny. Nice good sheen to them. All right. Beads are all in there. And blast it. So we'll do a 4.5 shot. We'll be back. Alright, here's the super fine bead finish versus the sand bead mix. So this is 100 grit sand with AC bead. This is AG bead, which is your really fine finish. So you can see a difference in color between the two there. It's pretty obvious when you're looking at it. This really has a sheen to it. This is dark, neutral finish. These are blasted valves. These are sand valves. Same difference. You can see the color change between the two. These are the front ones, so we don't mix them up. And then the head. Difference in the head too. Same thing. Big difference. So there you go. So this takes another half hour more work to make them super fine finish. It's about a 2-hour job here at least. I'll see how long it takes to do a top in here, but by the time I do everything on these heads and stuff, it'll be about a 3-hour job. I'm going to back cut the valves. I'm going to have to cut the cylinder decks here to clean them up and more stuff. But anyway, you can see the difference. It's definitely major changes in the quality of the finishes. So this will stay cleaner longer too, because this has got open pores like the rug has, and this is more beat down like concrete is, so it's smoother. So this will wipe up better, not absorb so much crap. These will get dirty quicker. So that's another advantage of it. Finishing them up nice. And this is so fine, it won't take much to bring back. A little bit of polish if you want to get on there and buff on it a little bit. Alright, well there's a difference. So get back, do some more work.